Here we go. Hi. This way. Here we go. Is this real? Hello. Happy birthday.
Everybody carry us on, and it comes down to something. If I follow politician, that I'm hoping that we call them prostitution. Who don't like enjoyment? If only they for pocket. Chevy national budget, we go blow like trumpet. See, Koroba, 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 oh yeah, carry on. Koroba, 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 oh yeah, carry on. Koroba, 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 oh yeah, carry on. Koroba.
Just get seated, please. Thank you, everyone. Happy birthday, Sasha. Okay. So, we are going to start with the opening prayer. Okay. Yes. Debbie, please take us. Do we sit? Do we stand? We stand.
Lord, we thank you for this day. We thank you for making it possible for every one of us to experience this joy. We thank you for our celebrants here. We thank you for the beauty of our life. We thank you, Lord, that we are able to share in this joy with her. We thank you for her life, for her growth, for everything that concerns her. We thank you for her co-celebrants with us too. Thank you for every possibility that is making this day turn out to be even more beautiful than we anticipated. Lord, may this gathering be fruitful. May it be one that we share in love. So that at the end of the day, all praise, all adoration will go back to you through Christ alone.
Amen. Amen. Thank you. Okay. Actually, MC is very, very close. He's not here. He's very close. He's on his way. So, is that what? It's very close there. Okay. Yes. But we can just start with old girls here. So we can just start with introducing ourselves, right? While we wait for MC, because I don't think I can do that. So I think we should just start by introducing ourselves.
Yeah.
So please. And here you go.
My name is Amy Alika, and I'm Oliver on Twitter. And I'm from Abia State, a mother of 4. And I call Erica my niece because I have 5 elder sisters, so I call her my niece. And I love you.
There will be time for that. I just want your name and the other person will come after.
My name is Mrs. Victor Babatokwe. I am an elite mom.
Thank you. Just keep passing.
My name is Debbie. I don't know which elite I am. Whatever name is.
Hi everyone, my name is Zimladi. Happy birthday, Erica.
Thank you.
Hello, my name is Doris. I'm so good to meet you finally. My name is Dima. Happy birthday, Erica.
Hi, baby.
My name is Posh. I love you so much.
Okay. Hi.
Okay.
My name is Miriam. Happy birthday, Erica.
Thank you.
I have to follow my president is talking. You can go be shy.
Hi, everyone. My name is Erica.
Hi everyone. Hi Erica. Happy birthday to you. My name is Musima Hidris. And here I'm not just representing myself. I'm representing the whole of Early Flame magazine team.
Yeah.
Hello everyone. My name is Precious. Happy birthday, Erica.
Thank you.
Hi Erica. Happy birthday. My name is Yuji.
Nice. Hi, Twinnie.
I will never stop calling you that. My name is G. That's what I go by.
Nice.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you too.
Hi Erica. Happy birthday. My name is Yolochili. I love you so much. Happy birthday.
Okay. The big person favored GMK. It's so good to see you again, Erica.
Yes.
I'm sure every one of us here, we know why we are here,
Yeah.
The president of the elite